water or something? Ugh, I'm not drinking that.
It's warm, but it's good.
Hey! Surprise!
What?
I'm gonna tell you right now, we don't know what the hell's going on.
I think we're playing a game, though I do not know the rules.
Well, I'm Shelly.
I am Yuri.
Yuri thinks that we're being imprisoned by an actual gorilla.
I'm Byron. Nice to meet you.
The gorilla is in our minds.
There is an actual man in a gorilla suit out there.
I'm Keith.
Monica, that dude's Otto.
He must be Soviet ape. They train them to do horrible things there. He must have lost his mind.
Squeeze me! Do you have any food? Percy is hungry.
You've got a little beanie baby.
Okay, one of you broads needs to hump that gorilla.
Oh, stop it.
That's what he wants. Then the rest of us can take off.
Monkeys are dumb.
No, they are highly evolved and extremely intelligent. We share a common ancestor. See? Now that's what I'm talking about.
Dude's got a beeper. He's not an actual ape.
Inconclusive.
Does anybody know what the hell they're talking about?
Well, I spent a few months volunteering, studying great apes with the Jane Goodall Institute in the Congo. But there's still so much more that we don't know.
So it's settled then. Shelly's gonna seduce him. She knows his signals.
Don't want to force a chick to bang the ape, dude. There's ethical stuff at play there.
There must be a cleaner way out. We should brainstorm.
Okay, if we share a common ancestor, then how are we, like, so smart? And monkeys are, like, so stupid.
I do not have time to answer that.
They aren't stupid. They communicate just as effectively as we do. They are just as emotionally motivated as humans. They have wants and needs, just like us.
Thank you for taking the time to explain that.
Yeah, I had never considered that perspective.
Hey, you know what I think he wants, right?
One. What do you think it means?
What does it say upside down?
Same thing.
Oh.
It's his penis.
What do you want us to do?
Speak English if you want us to talk to you.
Pick one.
What?
Pick one.
He's saying, pick one.
You are exceptionally good with primates.
Pick one what? I think he's saying he wants us to pick one of us.
Why?
I'm going to book the games with you.
I guess he's letting one of us go.
Well, how are we ever going to decide on that?
Well, I've been here the longest and I have a pet to take care of.
Nah, you suck.
What?
You do. You suck. Deal with it.
We should let Shelly go. She deserves it.
Yeah, she knows a lot about animals.
No, I've just gotten here. One of you guys should go.
And she's humble.
And she's pretty hot.
And she taught me something about evolution.
She taught all of us something about evolution.
But you guys...
Don't argue. Just go.
You're the best of all of us.
I guess maybe I'll see you all later.
Perhaps we can meet at Orange Julius.
It's me!
You won't pick again.
She was really something.
Oh my lord.
Holy fudge.
I guess when we pick someone, they get killed.
To death.